Hi guys, in today's recipe I'm going to show you how to make chicken fritters or chicken pakora. So we're going to start by taking about half a kilogram of chicken. This is mostly boneless chicken so that it's easy to work with because we are going to fry this and we don't want any bones. I'm going to add to this half a cup of yogurt to help tenderize the chicken. And then I'm adding about a teaspoon of salt. You can add salt to taste. I'm adding a teaspoon of red chili powder, a teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste or grated ginger garlic. To these spices I'm going to add 1 cup of corn flour. This is approximately 200 grams. And then to this I'm going to add around 2 tablespoons of corn flour and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. We've got all of our key ingredients in, so now I'm going to mix all of this well, making sure it's all combined nicely, the spices and the flour is coating the chicken properly. And then to this I'm going to add water bit by bit just so we get a nice paste and we reach the consistency, making sure the paste is well mixed and we don't have any clumps, and it coats the chicken nicely. You can get into the mixture with your hands just to make sure the chicken's fully covered and it's all nicely mixed. And then just to garnish and add a bit of texture, I'm adding about a tablespoon of chopped green chili. So that's our coating for the chicken done. I'm going to take a large pan and heat up 2 cups of oil in this. As you can see, it's nice and sizzling. I'm going to take the chicken pieces one by one, putting them into the oil, and we're going to fry the coated chicken into the oil until it turns nice golden brown, a bit orangish colour on each side. Make sure that the chicken is tender, it's cooked properly. For this you can lower the heat slightly so you don't get a dark outside and it's nice and golden. This should take about 3 to 5 minutes on each side. Fry these until they're nice and crispy, and as you can see here, our chicken pakora are done. By now the chicken will have been cooked, but I'm just leaving these in the oil for a teeny bit longer just to make sure it's fully cooked through and we have a nice crispy batter on the outside and we have the gorgeous colour that we're after. Once I feel like these are ready to be served, I'm going to take these out of the oil, turn off the flame, and pop them onto a gorgeous plate. Garnish with coriander. You can also garnish with ginger or any seasoning of your choice. That is it for the recipe, guys. We have our delicious chicken fritters or chicken pakora as we call them. These are yummy, delicious, so tasty, so crispy. Please do try them and let me know how it goes for you. I hope you guys liked the video. Please stay tuned for more recipes like this. Stay happy and stay healthy. Bye guys.